Your furnace is working harder than ever this winter, and if your furnace isn't keeping you warm the way it used to, it may be time for a tune-up or simple furnace repair from Lee's Heating and Air. Lee's has been helping Utah stay warm for over 80 years. The service technicians at Lee's are highly educated and required to participate in regular trainings, so when they show up at your home or office, they're equipped and ready to work on your furnace no matter what make and model. Call Lee's Heating and Air at 801-747-LEES. That's 801-747-5337. Or online at leesheatac.com. Take advantage of our winter tune-up special, which is still going on now.